And it's from a Bmw M50 engine.
M50, and it's broken to 3.1 litre.
3.1 litre. And so it's about 1,000 horsepower at 1.8 bar. Yeah. So he's taken out the 5-cylinder Audi engine and he's put in a 3.1 litre straight 6 M50 engine with an 85mm turbo. Has he got a built bottom end?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. So how much can you wind the boost up? What's the maximum?
2.5.
2.5. So it should be about 100, 150 horsepower?
Yeah.
And what's
the 155 on the nitrous.
On the NOS as well? Is that to help spool the turbo?
Yeah.
Okay.
And reviving.
Scramble button. What's the PB at the moment with this engine?
I don't know.
This is the first run?
First run.
Wow.
We tasted last weekend.
Yeah.
We were driving to Sweden and we take 2 runs. Nice and easy.
Yeah.
And we break it here to...
All right, well, good luck. Fingers crossed.
This bonkers Audi. I think I see Chris Top next to him down there.
I'm looking for really bars, which they don't appear to be. It certainly looks like there was some, or there should be.
I'm thinking about 10 seconds time, he's going to remember what.
Slow, 1050, 136 miles an hour.
So much safer. And occasionally straight as well. Well, I've seen quite a lot of straight cars. Issues, unfortunately, for Christopher Schmidt. So Brian Jorgensen is going to go through with a 973 and 139.
Good luck.
We're enjoying the applause.
Down the front, 121 to 123, and as long as everything goes A-OK, 906 and 143. Okay, so